Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another hair video, as you guys can tell from the title, and this wig is from Hairvivi. You guys know how I feel about Hairvivi. Like, the hair is just always on point, from the lace to the quality of the hair and just, you know, the plucking of the hairline. Everything is just always on point. So today my friend Ife, some of you guys may know her as Crown Beauty, she's gonna be the one installing my wig for me today. You guys can tell my background is a bit different because I'm in her studio. So she's gonna be installing this wig for me today. She's also gonna customize the hairline just a bit more, and then obviously add some layers and, you know, curl the hair and stuff. So you guys are gonna see the whole process basically. So this wig is from Hairvivi. Like I said, it comes with an elastic band on the inside. Also it comes with some combs, you know, just for security and stuff. And best believe, guys, this wig is actually glueless. Like, we didn't use any glue, mirror gel, nothing. All we used today was hairspray. If you guys want to see how Ife installed this wig, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. And when it comes to the specs on the head, this wig is 14 inches. One thing I also really like is the two tones, like the brown and the blonde. They've done it so right because it's like brown and then it goes into blonde, but it doesn't look off. Like, it looks good. They do currently have a hair sale going on, obviously because Black Friday is coming up. So if you guys are interested in this wig, make sure you click on the links down below. Check the description box for anything you guys need to know. There's Black Friday sale coming up. So the wig came pre-styled as well, but obviously we just decided to like add a bit more, you know, volume to the hair by adding some layers and obviously some loose curls as well, which I really like actually. This is cute. So when it comes to this wig comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached to obviously give you like a very natural hairline. As you guys can see, like, the hairline looks extremely, obviously you guys can see my lace because I'm like super zoomed in, but guys, come on. And this is glueless, by the way. Like I said, I didn't glue this wig down. So, and you know, because it comes with an elastic band as well, that makes it really secure on your head. So I'm gonna make sure to leave all the links and details that you guys need to know down below. So please make sure you check the description box for everything you like to know, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
Original Batman. Oh,
it's VQs.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them are coming, them are looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about
This hair even looks like it's already styled like this.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like,
This two tones is really nice. Like, they got this one right. They got it right. Guys, where is the lace? Like, Hairvivi never misses for me. Guys, look at the lace. Look how the lace is already melted in and we haven't even started. Like, Hairvivi never missed for me. I think a messy bob suits it, yeah, with some, you can add some more layers and then we add some more curls.
and tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up. You will turn me on. Man, I play my song. You will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to.
Guys, just look at this. We have, if it hasn't even glued it down, this is glueless, by the way. Look.
Fire, so me I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me I don't want to tire, so me I light up the fire. Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go crazy for a man. I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. On a cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. Really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test me man for it. Get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go Chris for a man. I got the money, so they sing for me, girl.
Yo, guys, this is glueless, by the way. This is glueless. There's no glue.
Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool. Let's get the groove on. On a cruise control, let the vibes come true. Let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. Really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test man for it. Me wanna get that feeling.